Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.
We've got it on jack stands. Just pull your drum off. Disconnect this parking brake off the bell crank here. So there's this little pin that you have to pull out, and you're just gonna pop out this metal pin here. Just shimmy this little parking brake bracket off here. It's got a little retainer clip on the inside, so make sure that stays in there. Let that hang. All right, next is this ABS sensor. It's just a 10mm bolt right here. It's got a washer on it. What I do is I take a flathead and I just gently get it right in this little nook right here. Twist the screwdriver a little bit as you pull, and that should just pop right out. Stick it off to the side on something metal. Next thing, I'm gonna crack the 4 nuts on the back of the backing plate. They're 14mm. Those right there. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a square. Those. Crack those free. I'm not gonna take them off yet. Again, those are 14mm nuts. I've got a swivel. Get those all loose. Now we're gonna take off this brake line. I'm using a 10mm flare wrench. You're just gonna be gentle, crack this free, thread it all the way out, and then I'm gonna cap this line so I don't lose a lot of fluid. I've got that line disconnected, and I believe I'm using a 3/16 vacuum cap. I'm gonna remove these 14mm nuts, the 4 of them. I'm not gonna show it, I'm just gonna spin them off by hand. But after that, this whole axle, backing plate, everything is gonna be able to just slide out, and I'll show you that. Stand it up on the studs. Give it some shimmies. Be gentle. It's gonna just sort of fall out of the differential in there. The backing plate's gonna wanna spin on you. Just try to pull it out nice and straight. Get a hand on it. Put it down. Leave a like, leave a comment. I try to answer every comment and question. Please subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. See ya.